Think that 3D printing is only for prototypes? Think again. Industrial 3D printing is now capable of producing tough, high-strength parts that thrive in demanding environments. Flame retardant and high-temperature parts are UL 95V0 compliant, great for applications in electric vehicles and drones if flammability is a concern. Tough and strong parts for demanding shop floor applications like jigs and fixtures or robotics. Carbon fiber composites offer better strength-to-weight ratio than even metals for the most demanding applications where weight is a concern. And all of these materials produced at higher production speeds than typical prototyping 3D printers. And that is what makes additive manufacturing using industrial materials different from rapid prototyping. Click on the link below to know more about how industrial 3D printers could change the way you manufacture.